Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Structural Funda. Myself Ethan Kenny, and today we are going to learn about equation used for analysis of strut or analysis of angle strut, but for the eccentric loading, or we can say that the loaded through single leg. Now according to the Indian Standard 800, the value of lambda E should be calculated from equation as where lambda VV is equal to L by RVV divided by epsilon into pi square E by 250, while lambda phi can be calculated from B1 plus B2 by 2t divided by epsilon into pi square capital E by 250, where B1 and B2 is nothing but the length and width of ISA section, or we can say that B1 is equal to small b and B2 is equal to small d for ISA B cross D cross T section. Now for given angle section, we can find out RVV from the steel table. Capital L is the center to center length of the column, which is given in the example data. B1 and B2 and T is given from the ISA B cross D cross T, but the value of K1, K2 and K3 is depending on the fixity of the angle section as per the table number 12. Now see, from table number 12 we will have two criteria. First of all, numbers of bolt is greater or equal to 2 and numbers of bolt is equal to 1 at each end. We have to calculate, or we have to assume the total numbers of bolt at each end. If total numbers of bolt is given as 4 or more than 4, it means that at each end it is equal to 2 or more than 2, and if total numbers of bolt is given at 2, then at each end it is equal to 1. So according to that we have to assume greater or equal to 2 or equal to 1, or we can say that greater or equal to 2 is similar for welded connection. Now second criteria is given as a fixity, or we can say that the end connection. Now there are four possibility. Either both and hinge, either both and fix, one and fix, one and free, and one and fix, one and hinge. So for the first condition, we have to assume hinge criteria as a fixity. For second one, we have to assume fix criteria as a fixity. For third, again fix criteria as a fixity. And for fourth, there are both the possibility. It means that we have to assume either fix or hinge. It means that according to the criteria, we have to calculate K1, K2 and K3, which is greater than 2 hinge, greater than 2 fix, greater than 2 fix, or greater than 2 fix or hinge. Likewise, we have to assume K1, K2 and K3. After calculating the value of K1, K2, K3 and lambda VV and lambda phi, we will get the value of lambda E. After that, lambda E, we will find out the value of phi, which is equal to 0.5 into 1 plus alpha lambda E minus 0.2 plus lambda E square, where alpha is equal to 0.49 as a imperfection factor. Now phi is used in stress reduction factor, which is equal to 1 divided by pi plus square root of pi square minus lambda E square. Once we will have the stress reduction factor, we will find out the FCD value, which is design compressive stress, and design compressive stress is xylon into Fy by gamma m0, and we can find out the design compressive load, which is equal to effective area into FCD. It means that if we have given eccentric loading, then we have to use lambda e as a under root k1 plus k2 lambda vv square plus k3 lambda phi square from page number 48. If you have any query, you can mail me. My mail ID is described in the description link. Thank you.